We're working on a 1947 Plymouth business coupe. Just got to the shop. I'm going to wash all the crust off of it and get started. This car's coming in for a full rebuild. A new engine, new transmission, new rear end, paint job. This was my first car. I got this car when I was 14 years old. My father and I restored it in the 90s. And it's time to do it again. It's got a small block Chevy in it. Automatic transmission. This is all coming out. I have all new engine, rebuilt transmission. But this is it, just rolled out of the trailer. Now I'm going to wash it tonight. Maybe start taking some of the front end apart and get it ready to take the front clip off and take the engine out. I'm debating on the paint. I need to get it repainted. I'm not sure if I want to go back with this paint scheme or if I want to go with maybe a root beer brown or some sort of candy. I'm going to keep these wheels. I'm going to get 3-inch white wall tires so it'll look similar to this. I like this look. I like my spider caps. She is crusty.